Welcome to the Orchid Advisors Compliance Training Series, Manufacturing and Assembly. Manufacturing's responsibility is to convert raw materials to finished goods, or to alter existing finished goods into other products. These personnel are responsible for ensuring that finished goods conform to aspects of ATF regulations, including, but not limited to, serialization and markings. Finished goods meet the quality standards set by the company. Employees are properly trained in manufacturing and assembly procedures, ATF requirements, security protocols, and safety guidelines. Raw materials, WIP, and finished goods are securely stored and accessed only by those with proper authority. Only approved serial number sequences are utilized in the manufacturing process. The following controls should be considered within your production area. Operations should consult with compliance prior to subcontracting or outsourcing the production or secondary service operation of any frame, receiver, or complete firearm. Altering the production flow, routing, or markings of a frame, receiver, or complete firearm handled by a subcontractor. Altering a frame, receiver, or complete firearm model or model name handled by a subcontractor. Serial numbers should be carefully managed and allocated to products and/or vendors depending on how they may be controlled under ATF variance conditions. Non-production firearms that will be used for samples, production setup, or engineering prototypes should follow all the same procedures as production firearms. In summarized form, ATF regulations require the following of manufacturers: conspicuously engrave, cast, or stamp the serial number on the frame or receiver to a depth of 3/1000ths of an inch and print size no smaller than 1/16 of an inch. The number must not be capable of obliteration, alteration, or removal. Duplicate serial numbers should not be used. For example, the same serial number cannot appear on two firearms, even if they are two different models. If a firearm was destroyed, the serial number may not be reused. Measurement of marking depths must be done from the flat surface of the firearm, not from any beads of material that may develop from the marking process. A process should be designed such that any exception transactions, for example, when a serial number will not scan or appears to be in the wrong box, are physically segregated, well marked, and referred to the compliance team on a priority basis. Within 24 hours of production, compliance personnel must register on ATF Form 2 all NFA firearms manufactured by the company. All personnel should seek to identify and resolve any frames, receivers, or complete firearms whose written tag detail does not match the firearm and/or the company A&D book. ATF rules allow for 7 days to record the acquisition in the A&D book, but the entry must reflect the date of the actual event. Company vaults should exist to secure and segregate ATF-controlled product, serialized or otherwise. Thank you for watching this segment of our video training series. Viewers are encouraged to seek professional advice prior to assessment, implementation, or execution.